Hi friends, welcome to your favorite channel Excel by Raghav. In this channel you will find all Excel related videos right from basics to advanced level, which includes various formulas, functions and of course automation codings, which gives you a step-by-step direction and is helpful in writing VBA macros as per your requirement. Keeping in view of your precious time, I am trying my best to keep the video length shorter with in details of every topic so as to give you more understanding. Every day new videos will be uploaded, so keep watching for more and more videos and make yourself an Excel wizard. I see many viewers have not subscribed the channel, hence I request you to kindly subscribe, like and promote the channel, and finally leave your valuable comments which will be answered sooner. Hi friends, in this tutorial let's see creating of pivot table from multiple sheets. Here I have the data in sheet 3, sheet 5 and sheet 6. The two in different columns. Column DE in sheet 6, column AP in sheet 5 and column EF in sheet 3. So now how will I create a pivot table from these three different sheets, and I will show in one sheet. I will select first the data range in any of the sheet. So here I am using sheet 3. Then I'll press the keyboard shortcut which we already discussed in our previous videos, that is Alt D P. That will create a pivot table. This is the dialog box, and from there select the third option, that is multiple consolidation ranges. Then click next. So as I already have selected the first sheet range, I will not do anything. So I will simply say create a single page field for me. Then click next. Then again I will reselect the range. Then click add. Then again I will move on to the sheet number 5. Then again I will select the range. Then again I'll click on add. Then again I'll move on to the sheet 6. Friends, observe as I am toggling between the sheets, you can see the sheets are getting selected, that is in white color. The background is changing to white color. Now when I move into the sheet 6, you can see the change. So now sheet 6, again add. Now click next. It will ask you whether you want the data to be in a new worksheet or an existing worksheet. If your data is only for one sheet, that is when you are creating the pivot for only one sheet, it's a good option to select an existing worksheet. But when you are doing a consolidation, it is always a 100% accurate data that you go for a new worksheet. That is, as I don't have worksheet 7 or 8, it will create the data in a new worksheet. Finish. Here in sheet 8, my data of all these consolidations has been shown in sheet 8. So now I don't want page 1 because page 1 has nothing. Now in columns also, just in columns also we don't have anything. If you want, you can even check in the by placing it in the filters. So I have nothing except the subname of the subject. So if you want, you can bring over. And the values, we are saying number 6 because values are always in integers. So I'm moving the value data, that is the count of value, from values to rows, that it makes in a single cell or the single column. Now my data is not in a presentable manner. So what I'll do, I'll go to the design tab, then I'll first click on subtotals and then I'll select do not show subtotals. Then leaving the grand totals, I'll move on to the report layout. Then I will click on show in tabular form. Now you see there are many blanks. Of course, though, by looking at the chart, it indicates that cherry is still row number 7, but when we present, there might be a confusion. So I'll again go to report layout and I say repeat all items. Automatically, wherever the blanks are there, the entire selection, all will get filled. So this is cherry and automatically the subject. Now cherry is handling 4 different subjects, and likewise Dhatri is handling 3 different subjects, Krish is handling 4 different subjects, Kritika is handling 3 different subjects, Rushika is handling 4 different subjects. This will give you a brief in presenting your data, and of course it will be useful for your clients. Thanks friends for watching this video.